Let's learn the notes for the G major five-finger position. Since there are 88 keys on the keyboard, it would be nice to play in new positions with new key centers outside of just C and F. The key of G moves the starting note to, you guessed it, G. Let's look at these 5 notes beginning on G. Place your right hand fingers on G, A, B, C, and D, beginning with your thumb. Drill the position by taking your hand on and off the keys. Now put your left hand up next to your right, using 5 on G, finding G, A, B, C, and D. Take your left hand off and put it back on a few times. This time find both on the G, A, B, C, D position and what we call G major, and take your hands on and off the keys, making sure you can come back to your five-finger position easily several times. Now, let's look at warm-up at the bottom of the page. Notice the right hand plays first, and the notes go up and stay the same and come back down. Be careful to lift for the rest in measure 4. On line 2, the second phrase, the left hand does the same. Starting on finger 5, the notes going up, stay the same, and coming back down. Remember to lift for the rest. Notice the repeat sign at the end, so we will play twice, and you will notice the F for forte the first time and the P for piano soft the second time. Here's how to play the warm-up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, lift, left, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, repeat. One, 2, 3, 4, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. You will notice a sharp sign at the beginning of each line of music. This area is called the key signature and looks like this. It tells you which notes are to be played sharp. Since the sharp is sitting on the F line at the top of the G staff and on the F line for the bass staff, or what we call the F clef, all Fs must be placed as sharp. You might say to yourself, I don't see any Fs in the G5 finger position. There are no Fs, just G, A, B, C, D. That's right. There aren't any, at least not in the pieces we play now. However, a key signature is not taken from just 5 notes. It's taken from the entire octave beginning on G. When we play all 8 notes starting with G, you will hear that it sounds a lot better to sharp the F. Here is that group of notes without the F sharp. Did you hear one note that sounded kind of sour or out of place? That's right, it was number 7. But if I raise the F and make it F sharp, which one sounds better? The one with the F sharp, of course. So for now, simply memorize that 1 sharp in the key of G means that both hands should be playing in the G position, and whenever we get to the Fs, they will be played sharp. But for right now, we're sticking to just the 5 notes, as you can see on our chart here, and we won't really need the F sharp for a while. In this position, G will be the main tone around which all the other tones revolve. It is called the tonic, which is Greek for number 1. The music will more than likely come to rest on G at the end of the piece because G is the key center or the tonality of the music, the main tone. Simply means that all the notes will be drawn from the 5-finger position starting on G. Enjoy playing in this new position.